Hi and welcome everybody to a new video on Valentine's Photo Paradise. Today I'll be showing you how to load film into a Canon Prima 5. I'll also be going over the main functions because this camera is pretty simple to use, so jump right in. The first thing we're gonna do is insert a battery. The battery compartment is right here. I already opened it. It's a little bit fiddly on my camera at least. The camera takes a CR123A battery. Just insert it like this. Ta-da. Close the compartment and you're good to go. To check if the battery is inserted correctly, just open the switch, and if the camera does something, you did it right. Let's close it up again, just real quick, and I'll show you how to put in film. I'm actually going to be using this camera, so I decided to shoot some good old HP5. Take the film out the canister, just like this. Open up the back of the camera with this little lever right here. Just open it up, pops right open. Put in the canister like this. Don't put too much film, like this should be plenty. Close it. And we can see it's on one now. All you gotta do now is open up the lens and you're good to go. The camera has a couple of main functions. Here you have a self timer. On here you have the film window, so you know what frame you're on. This is the shutter button. And then on the back side you have a flash on mode, a flash off mode, and a auto flash mode. This is something that I really like about the camera, because a lot of point and shoot cameras, you have like a little LCD where you have to press it, and then the flash mode changes whenever you open the camera. So let's say you don't want to use the flash, you have an Olympus Miu, you close the clamshell, you open it up again, and it's the flash is activated again. On this camera at least, you can just put it on off and it's gonna stay like that. And then on the bottom of the camera you just have a little tripod socket, and that's it already. The only thing that I dislike about this camera is that you don't have a option, as far as I know, to rewind the film before you finish shooting the film. So if you would like to switch mid-roll, you would have to open the back in like a dark room and take out the film like by hand. But yeah, that's it already. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be shooting this roll of HP5, and I'm deciding if I want to keep the camera or sell it. As you can see, it's in a really nice condition and it's looking really nice. It feels kind of plasticky, but it also feels pretty decent in your hand, or in my hand at least. So thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And yeah, have a wonderful day. Take care, everybody. And thank you for spending the time.